yes, it is anecdotally more difficult to get a product ungated for a gated category if you're doing fulfilled by merchant, okay? And think about it from Amazon's point of view. You're entering a category which they gated. They've gated it because they only want sellers in there that know what they're doing and aren't going to rip people off. Fulfilled by merchant allows greater nefarious activities than FBA, simply by the nature of who's doing most of the listing. Therefore, anecdotally, it's going to be more difficult to get your product ungated if you choose the fulfilled by merchant path. However, if it were me, what I would do is I would start off with saying the product is going to be fulfilled by Amazon. I'd go down that route, and then I'd simply change my mind later when the product was ungated and go for fulfilled by merchant. That's how I would do that. If that's an option for you, Reg, that's how I would handle that. There's no problems at all with you changing your mind down the track and deciding that you want to use fulfilled by merchant instead of fulfilled by Amazon. Zero problems at all with that. Indeed, there are many instances I can think of where that would actually be beneficial and would form part and parcel of a strategy to game the Amazon system in certain ways. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.